Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use WallComm.
Yo, we've been hugging this wall for almost an hour.
Relax, we're just gonna take her vitals.
Handtevy's newest addition to its feature lineup. WallComm is designed to connect paramedics and hospital administrators in real time right from the wall of the emergency department. If your organization has enabled WallComm, you can access it anytime by tapping the WallComm icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Before you start, remember, only the medical facilities set up by your organization's admin will appear in your list. So if you don't see a location, reach out to your admin for help. Once WallComm has been initiated, Handtevy uses GPS technology and instantly detects the exact time you entered the hospital's geofenced area. Confirm your arrival time and select Start Session. You'll notice that the wall time counter begins from the moment you arrived, no manual entry needed. Once your session is active, you'll see the WallComm event log and status screen. Here, you can record the time of the medical screening exam. This is when a physician, nurse practitioner, or physician assistant evaluates your patient. If you need assistance at any point, simply tap Notify Admin. This instantly establishes a secure communication channel with both hospital administration and EMS leadership all in one place. Now, communication between EMS and hospital leadership is seamless, helping to coordinate care and reduce wall times in real time. Need to check something else? No problem. You can minimize the app or even exit WallComm completely. The timer continues to run in the background. Once your patient is transferred, tap Stop WallComm. Next, select the outcome of the transfer. Lastly, you can complete and finalize your WallComm event. Here, in the Review and Confirmation screen, you can adjust any of the recorded times if needed. Once you have confirmed the information is correct, tap Submit. And that's it! WallComm gives EMS the tools to track, timestamp, and communicate in real time with hospitals, creating faster handoffs, stronger partnerships, and better patient care. Thank you for using Handtevy Mobile.